This is 123D Inventor going to take apart the TV. Already got a couple screws out. Just testing out. So I just tested out a couple last video that the thing doesn't work, or the power cord doesn't work. So take it apart, put it back together, and we are going to see what's wrong with it. I'd like to see what else I should take apart. I haven't taken apart a lot of stuff, but right now I'm just taking the screws out. I might get a stubby screw. I have my screw kit over here. It's a stubby screw, I think. I don't know. I wasn't taught very much power tools. This ain't power tools, but it's a tool that okay, I just popped it open. Wait, did I pop it open? Yep, it's popped open. You can see I popped it open. Okay, so I just need to get these two corners out so they don't get this out. Okay, see. Yeah, see what's up. See any other screws? It's only this screw and another screw. Oh yeah, there's the last screw that we probably need. I'm trying my best to make a lot of content so I can, because I'm just a beginner with YouTube and all my other stuff. I'm just trying to do my best. While I take out the screw, that will take like 3 minutes. Just get out already. Yeah, thank you. God. What else screws? Okay. Yes, there goes. Oh my God. Dang. Everything's coming out already. Oh no. I gotta disconnect everything first. Oh dang. Oh dang. I need to disconnect this too. Why is this coming out already? This is supposed to be stabilized. Obviously not, because okay. I can just pop right open. And this obviously came out, which this is the stuff that goes to it. See right here, but you can't see really, but I'm gonna disconnect everything so I don't break anything. Okay, see, it's doing this. Don't know why. We need to screw it in better. And this, I'm guessing it's supposed to go, I don't know what this is. I think it's supposed to go under here because last time I came, I put it right here and I bet you that's what happened with the thing. Or is it supposed to go the other way? I don't know. No, there's no way. Okay. If someone's watching this and they can tell me what, because I'm taking this apart so I can have it again. Not taking it apart because, oh, I'm just going to be, okay, I'm taking some of this out. Why is it not stable? It's just doing this. So we need it to be stable. And oh, that's just my board. Why is it doing this? Why? It needs to be attached better. I got some electrical tape right here. It's way better. I don't know if we can get this. Boom. Okay. What if it's supposed to go the other way? Well, no, it has to go down. Under here you can see that this is where it is. Okay, this is the top of it. We have a stand here. There's screws here to connect. That's not the screws to connect. These are. I think I didn't screw it in good, so that's why it. I'm gonna reconnect them probably because it looks like there's nothing wrong. It's just this power cord. That sucks. Okay, I'm gonna get better at this. Okay, I just need to tighten this more because I couldn't see the light. That's why I said that's. Oh, there you go. Now that's broken. Okay, this ain't going well. Okay. Well, it's part 2 because I broke it. But right now I'm going to take it all apart and I will show you what I'm doing. So first thing I'm going to do is unscrew all this stuff because I broke the thing off. Well, it probably will still work. It will just see. I'll just probably have to, I don't know. Will it work? I don't know. That's my question. If I put it out on the side, and it's still gonna be connected, we probably will just put it side. Okay, we're gonna reconnect all this stuff back together because it was all disconnected. I probably didn't connect it when I had it. So, our strategy here is see if this still thing lights up. See if it still lights up after, even if, okay. Will it work? I'm going to connect everything back. Wait, yes, I'm going to connect everything back. Okay. Let's see, does this go together? What is this? Go to, I guess it goes to, I'm not gonna guess. What is this? I know how it was connected. I had a picture of it. So I should be able to, oh, this goes to over there. If you can see this motherboard, this goes to that motherboard. Everything else is connected. So if we do this and poof, I'll put it out. Let's see. Will it still connect either if it's, even if the light, I bet you the light was loosened up that it wouldn't show. Okay. Question number 1. Okay. Will it light up? Okay. We're going to have it like this. I'm gonna put it to the plug. Okay. We're gonna do it right now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna reconnect everything back and then I'll show you. Okay, should be good. That's my theory. If this thing goes, okay, that goes there. My other one is this one. It's supposed to go there. Okay. So we have this. This is the motherboard to turn on the light. It's supposed to glow red, but it broke, so we're gonna just try it. Take this and put it on the bottom or something without making it break the thing open. I'm gonna try not to break it. I tip it over. The heck was that? Okay, we're gonna tip this and then we get this and put it like that. So without making it drop and make that really bad. Oh, dang. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. This should not break. This should, if my theory is correct, we'll put it right here. This is the motherboard. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. Not screw it though. And if it wasn't that shocking me. Okay, let me get this. Get this. Okay, now we even got the light. Okay. It's between the power cord not giving enough energy, or it's just the TV. Okay. So it's not the power cord either. It's this thing that I connected it to. It keeps falling over because I didn't screw it correctly in. Wait, okay. I don't know. Okay. That didn't hurt me. I'm just saying, so I don't want to break this thing. Stop disconnecting. This thing keeps disconnecting. Okay. We have to screw this tighter. The only thing is we have to screw this tighter, and I think I'm missing pieces to the thing. Yes I am. I'm not missing it. I know where it is. Okay. It's these things. Don't be so sure that I'm gonna get this correct. This is for if I'm a beginner too. I'm a beginner. I'm very... people want to come after me, tell me that I'm not doing this right. I'm fine if you guys tell me that, because I feel like I'm not doing this right either. I have to put this in while that's over there. We do that. Okay, put that like that, like that. Okay, I'm gonna move that. Okay, don't know what I'm doing. Well, I know what I'm doing. I said you guys don't see what I'm doing, obviously. So you don't know if I'm doing anything wrong or not, but I'm attaching metal pieces to the soft area. Or not attaching them. Not even in the soft area, but there is something I was missing. So if that was supposed to turn it on or anything, still get at me and stuff for being wrong and other stuff. I really don't care. I told you. Okay, now I'm gonna get the other stuff. The other one of these metal things. If you want me to show you, it's these. They connect to the bottom with another thing. And I took them off because I thought it wouldn't do anything. But I think we need to do it like it was supposed to. And there, now we just do that. No, wait, that. Wiggle it everywhere. Okay, this time I'm going to tighten everything that I have. Still doing that, which means this ain't tightened enough. And I'm not doing anything wrong here. I'm just screwing. I'm not gonna strip it out, please, Sam. Yeah, this thing's going up, so I didn't tighten this either good. As tight as it goes without stripping the screw. I deserve kind of. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Unless I'm doing something wrong, I feel like you're telling me something, but I can't hear your voices, obviously. So I'm gonna try this again. So I don't hurt myself, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I know this is 18 minutes long, but like, at least I need to make at least 30, 20-minute video. Feels good to actually make a video without being interrupted. Okay, then, I'll fix this. Oh, yeah, that's an airplane for my next video I'm doing. If you want to know what I'm doing over there. Me and my papa are fixing it. Yeah, we're kind of making a new invention. If you know what I mean. My question is, if something's wrong with it, because I feel like something blew up because this black. Okay, I'm gonna show you, but there should be a black. Okay, if you see this, then I probably will. Okay, there's this black one right there. Oh, wait, you see that right there? There's a yellow thing, probably broke, or it did something. So, part 2 coming up. Bye, see ya.